welcome back. Today, we're gonna do something fun, and it's an unboxing. We are going to unbox something I won off of an auction site. It was Heritage Auctions. This is like not sponsored or anything. I don't think they know I exist. Well, I mean, technically they know I exist because they shipped this to me and I won the thing. But anyway, I didn't think I was gonna win it. I kind of threw in a bid and was like, this won't win, and I did win it, so that's cool. But inside here is should be technically a real character sheet from the 1930s of one of the characters from an old cartoon. It's not something super well known, but I really like vintage stuff, duh, and that goes into vintage art as well, especially vintage cartoons and vintage character design. And when I saw this model sheet, I was like, I have to have this. It's really cute, so I'm excited to open it. We're gonna open it, I'm gonna show it to you, then I am going to get it framed and hang it up on my growing like art inspiration wall, essentially. So let's get started. I got this. Let's break into this bad boy. Finally, the time is now. Oh gosh, why is this so far down here? What the heck? Okay, this way. Oh! Okay, they definitely packaged it very nicely, like very sturdy. Look at that. Which is good, because I mean, it's like a one of a kind piece. Okay. Okay, now we got to be delicate. Hello. Okay. Oh, look at this. There she is. It's in here. Now we got to be very careful. Okay, here it is. It's very tough, so I'm gonna try to just reach in and grab it. Oh, there it is. This here. I know that my oils on my hand is probably affecting this, but hopefully this will be the last time it will be handled. But check this out. So based off of this, from what I'm looking at, this is a copy of the model sheet. So the original character designer created this model sheet, and it looks like it's been photocopied or something. And then it was probably handed out to all of the animators. And this is probably one of the animators' practice sheet. You can see that they're practicing head shapes and coloring and everything. Here's some painting that was left on there. This back here is the project that they were working on. It says Elmer Elephant. Yeah, this looks like it was a practice sheet. Practice model sheet, and then this was the reference material, which is pretty cool. I think I misunderstood. I thought that this was the original model sheet that I was getting, but it wasn't. It was just the copy, but that's okay. It's still pretty cute to see both of these things. This is Tilly Tiger, and it was part of the Elmer Elephant Tiger preliminary model sheet artwork and studio printed model sheet. Stick this carefully back in there. I think it's really fun to get a piece of history, is what it feels like, animation history. So that's really fun, and I'm gonna take this to go get it framed. So let's go get it framed. You wanna go for a car ride? Do you wanna go for a car ride? You wanna go for a car ride? Do you wanna go for a car ride? Do you want to go for a car ride?
You've got mail.
Yeah? You wanna go for a car ride? Oh. Car ride time? Why did I think this was a good idea? Just spilled it all over. I regret my choices. What? Did you just... Wow. Making the biggest mess in the world. Hey, that's not yours. Back off. You back off. Don't huff at me. You got a whole bowl and snacks and everything. Joanne, 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 Joanne. I'm begging of you, please frame my stuff. I'm doing that thing that YouTubers do. Where they go places and then they sit in the parking lot and talk in their camera. Except I don't want people to think I'm weird. So I'm making sure that nobody's seeing me do it because this feels weird. We're at Joann's and I'm gonna go take this bad boy, that thing to get framed, the thing, you know, the thing that we were doing. The model sheets, the character sheet. And I brought the boys with me because Joann's is pet friendly. I like to bring my dogs to anywhere that's pet friendly because they really like going on little outings. I do not bring them to anywhere that is not pet friendly. They are not service dogs and they are not emotional support animals. Even if they were emotional support animals, there's a lady parking and I don't want her to see what I'm doing. Please don't look at me. Emotional support animals do not have public access rights. Only service dogs do, which means that even if you have an emotional support animal, they are not allowed into buildings that are normally not pet friendly. The only animal that is allowed into a store that does not allow pets is a service dog. And a service dog is a dog that is trained to specifically mitigate a disability or an illness or something along those lines. They have to have extensive training. At least in the US, you don't have to have like any sort of specific certificate for it. They do need to be bomb-proof in public places, which means basically that they will not get distracted by anything. They won't get distracted by people. They won't get distracted by dogs. They won't get distracted by loud noises. And they should be on high alert and able to perform the task that they need to do if and when you have an issue in public. The only thing that emotional support animals are allowed to get around are housing access and hold on, there's a lady. Both of you ladies, don't look at me, I'm not talking to myself. Emotional support animals used to be able to fly free. I don't know the status of it right now because a lot of airlines are cracking down because so many people are faking it. And I also just want to say really quick too, there is no such thing as an official registry for either service dogs or emotional support animals. Any website that does say that is a scam. You are being scammed if you sign up for them. They're going to take your money. They're going to print you off something garbage. I could easily do the same if I wanted to. There has been a lot of proof showing that these are scams. There are people who have registered a jar of Nutella. There is no official registry. According to the ADA, there is no official registry for service dogs. There's no official registry for emotional support animals. The only thing that you need for emotional support animals is a letter from a psychiatrist or a doctor stating that this is something that you do need and it is important to your mental health. Service dogs do not have a registry. There's no official registry. They don't officially need a jacket. They don't officially need anything like that. The only thing that they need to be able to do is mitigate a disability or an illness
I'm really passionate about this because I have a few friends who have service dogs that they need to get around in public, and because of all of this like fake service dog and fake emotional support animal stuff, it's just getting so hard for them to go out in public with their dogs.
I'm down here now. Anyway, I have to end this rant because there's too many people who are coming in and parking, and I don't want people to catch me. I just want to say there's a bunch of my friends have service dogs, and it's getting harder and harder for them to get into public places because there are so many fake service dogs and emotional support animals out there now. So please, 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 I'm begging you. I know everyone loves their dogs and want to take them everywhere, but do not sign up for a fake registry just because you want to bring your dog to a grocery store. It causes way more harm than good. It's bad. It's getting bad. So please don't do it. It's really harming people with actual service dogs who need these animals to like survive, essentially. So anyway, rant over. Let's go to Joanne's. It's a different day, obviously. It's been a few weeks, and I got the call that I think it's mostly ready, but we have to fix the matting because they couldn't remember what the mat board color was. So we're gonna go into Joann's and hopefully it'll be ready, but we'll see. What you guys doing? It's here, and we're gonna take a look at it now that it's framed. Let's go look at it. Yeah. Ignore my carpet that has dog hair all over it. Excuse me, sir. Let's take a look at it.
So I didn't get to film a wrap-up ending to this because I got COVID and I still have COVID. So I'm just gonna do a little voiceover and say that I'm really happy with how it turned out. I like how my wall display looks. It's very fun and inspiring for me, and I really love how this little sheet is. And that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye!